Mistral AI streamlines AI interaction and management for tech professionals. Let's begin by exploring onboarding. We're on the website. Click the Talk to Lasha input field. Next, choose a sign-in method or register. Enter your email, password, first name, and last name. Verify you are human. Then, unmask your password for confirmation. Click Sign Up. After that, input the verification code from your email. Click Continue. You successfully verified your email. Continue to the next step. Enter your workspace name and choose a team type. Accept the terms of service. Create your workspace. Finally, welcome to the Mistral AI dashboard. Up next, let's discover how home works. Explore Mistral AI features. Then, access documentation and community links for more learning. Up next, let's discover how downloading an image works. View your AI-generated timetable. Download it easily. After this, let's walk through searching the web. Search study technique is in the chat. Next, send your question. Then, review the AI's response. After that, check the sources used. Now let's explore the next topic, giving feedback. Provide feedback by clicking thumbs up. Then see thanks for the feedback confirmation. Moving forward, let's see how copying an answer is done. Copy the AI-generated response, text copied, ready to paste or continue typing. Next up, let's take a closer look at pinning a chat. Click More Options to pin the chat. Next, the chat moves to the pinned section. Right next, let's check out renaming a chat. View your chat conversation, then share by creating a link. Finally, see the link copied confirmation. Coming up next, we'll dive into archiving a chat. Archive a chat to clean your view. Next, unarchive to restore it. Then confirm the chat is archived. Coming up next, we'll dive into deleting a chat. Select a previous chat. Next, click the New Chat button. Then, start a fresh conversation. Following this, we'll move on to switching to dark mode. Start in light mode. Next, open workspace settings. Then choose the dark theme. After that, switch to dark mode. Finally, view the upgrade page. After this, let's walk through switching workspace. In the chat interface, open the Workspace drop-down. Next, select Switch Workspace. Then, choose a workspace. After that, you're now in AS Mobbin's workspace. Following this, we'll move on to searching chats. Click the Search button. Type your query in the search field to find conversations. Select the relevant result to open the chat. The next feature we'll cover is subscribing to a plan. On the Agents page, click Set up your subscription here. Choose Experiment for free. Accept the terms to enable the subscribe button. Click subscribe. Verify your phone number. Country code is pre-selected for France. Choose a different country. Enter your phone number. Click send verification code via SMS. Enter the 6-digit verification code. Click confirm code. Subscription successful. Phone number verified. Click to return to the main platform. Following this, we'll move on to adding an agent information. Select the model drop-down. Choose a model from the list. Adjust the randomness slider. Enter a system prompt in the instructions area. Click the Add Demonstration button. Fill in user input and model output fields. The agent is now configured, ready for testing or deployment. In the next section, we'll explore how chatting with AI agent works. Configure your AI agent. Next, type your query to test it. Then, view the AI's response with course details. Moving forward, let's see how renaming an agent is done. Click the title to rename your agent. Then deploy to save and activate it. Now let's explore the next topic, copying an agent ID. Copy the agent ID, then confirm it's copied successfully. Coming up next, we'll dive into deleting an agent. Delete the AI agent. Confirm deletion to remove permanently. In the next section, we'll explore how archiving a model works. Select a completed fine-tuning job. Archive the model from the Details page. Confirm archiving in the modal. Model archived successfully with an option to unarchive. Up next, let's discover how filtering fine-tuned jobs works. On the Fine-Tuned Models page, enter Filter Criteria. Next, view filtered model results. Next up, let's take a closer look at hiding a column. View the table, then click the Columns button. Next, pick some options. Finally, see the customized table view. In the next section, we'll explore how sorting by column works. Click the creation date to sort models in ascending order. Then select a model for details. The next feature we'll cover is filtering datasets. On the datasets page, click the Type Filter button. Next, pick a type from the drop-down menu. Then, see the filtered dataset list. Now let's explore the next topic, deleting a dataset. On the datasets page, click the Delete icon. Next, confirm the delete action. Then, select Delete in the confirmation modal. Finally, the dataset is removed and confirmed. After this, let's walk through creating an API key. Click the Share icon. Then, click the Create Link button. Finally, the shareable link is copied to your clipboard. Right next, let's check out usage. On the dashboard, click API Keys. Now you're on the API Keys page. Click Create New Key. Enter a name for your API key. Select an expiration date. Set the expiration to March 14, 2025 and create the key. Copy the API key and click Done. Finally, review your new API key on the list. The next feature we'll cover is updating usage limit. On the dashboard, select Limits. Next, enter your new usage limit. Then, confirm by clicking Update Limit. Finally, the limit change is successful. Right next, let's check out requesting an access. We're on the main dashboard. Next, access the Limits page. Then change the usage limit and click Update Limit. After that, see the success message confirming the updated limit. Now let's explore the next topic, deleting a workspace. In the workspace settings, click Delete Workspace. Next, confirm the deletion in the modal. Then view the other workspace settings. Now let's explore the next topic, updating a profile name. On the Account Settings page, update your name. Next, click Update Profile. Then verify your identity by entering your password. After that, click Sign In. Finally, see your updated profile information. Following this, we'll move on to updating email preferences. Access account settings and click Go to Email Preferences portal. Next, subscribe to Le Chat newsletter. Then update email preferences. Finally, success. Preferences updated. Now let's explore the next topic, deleting an account. Go to Email Preferences. Next, select Newsletter options. Then update preferences. Finally, see confirmation. Following this, we'll move on to updating a password. On Security and Access, click Set New Password. Next, enter a new password in the modal. Then, click Update Password. After that, your password is successfully updated. Following this, we'll move on to setting up two-factor authentication. First, click the Enable button on the Security and Access page. Next, in the modal, click Next. Then, enter the 2FA code from your Authenticator app. After that, click the Enable button. Finally, 2FA is enabled. Consider generating recovery codes. Up next, let's discover how changing language works. On the Preferences page, click the Language drop-down. Then, pick a language. After that, you're on the Welcome screen. Finally, navigate to the Agents page. Next up, let's take a closer look at adding a payment method. On the Billing page, click Add Payment Method. Next, pick Secure, one-click checkout with link. Then click Submit to save your card. Finally, view the success notification. Up next, let's discover how Redeem a Gift Code works. Go to the Billing page and select Set up Billing to use a gift code. Next, enter a gift code in the field provided. Then, click Submit. Finally, an error message shows an invalid code. Right next, let's check out canceling subscription. Unsubscribe from your plan. Confirm deactivation of API keys with no refund. Subscription removed, explore new plans. The next feature we'll cover is logging out. On the Mistral AI dashboard, select the user profile. Next, choose Log Out from the menu. Finally, you're back at the sign-in page. Coming up next, we'll dive into resetting password. Click Forgot Password. Enter your email. Click Continue. Enter your recovery code. Click Continue. You're logged into the dashboard. Mistral AI simplifies AI interaction for businesses and individual users alike.